Remember Michael and Christine. Today, kayong dalawa ay magiging isa. So, kung meron mang competitive spirit, that may get the best out of you because you are trying to prove that you are more better, that you are more smarter, that you are more professional, more talented than your partner. And that selfish behavior may get the best out of you.
Kahit magkaiba tayo ng personality, we have this thing called communication. I love the moment na kahit asan tayo, nag-uusap tayo.
Thank you at nandyan ka parati para sa akin, nakasuporta sa lahat ng gusto ko at minamahal ako ng lubos.